Hi, my name is Elizabeth Blandon. I'm the managing partner here at Blandon Law Firm. We are experts in the field of asylum, and I hope this video helps you to complete your asylum application. I'm referring to pages 9 through 12 of the asylum application. Once you complete this and you sign where appropriate and you provide the photograph, you can then file your application and send it to the appropriate address, and you will find that appropriate address at uscis.gov, uscis.gov. So the first point to notice is that pages 10 through 12 are self-explanatory. You use them if you need 11 and 12 to add additional information. Likewise, page 10 is used as a signature when you go either to an interview, or if your case is referred to court, you would sign it in the presence of an immigration judge. But in other words, 10 to 12, if you need them, you use them, and if not, you don't. You leave them blank. Please note that you should always put the initials N/A for not applicable whenever there's a blank that you are not completing. If you don't do this, you're going to get your asylum application returned to you. Every space must be completed, and that's very important. In terms of page 9, there is a question that is most important, and that is whether someone has helped you complete the asylum application. It's not talking about somebody like me who's just providing you instructions, and it's not talking about a website you may have read like uscis.gov that also has other instructions as to how to fill out an asylum application. It's talking about whether anyone at all, a friend, a relative, actually gave you tips on how to answer the asylum application. Now, if somebody helped you to translate, if your foreign language is not English, your first language is not English, and they helped you to translate your answers and just type them in, that's different. But if anyone provided any tips on anything about the asylum application, you must put yes. If that person is an attorney, or even if that person is not an attorney, at the bottom you'll see that they have to fill out a spot there. But even if they don't, that does not eliminate your responsibility to put that you did have someone help you. That's very important, because if there's any mistake on the asylum application and you say that no one helped you, you are the only one responsible. So take my advice and remember to put yes, even if the person who helped you leaves the bottom of page 9 blank. This will hold you in good stead. I hope all these videos have been of great use to you, and for all our clients, we look forward to the opportunity to opening the door to your success.